Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a mobile phone detector. Before starting with the construction, I want you to know that I've taken the side facing north of the breadboard as the positive rail while the side facing south as the negative rail. So let's get started. We begin our construction by placing our IC CA3130 on the breadboard. Before we start with the connections of the IC, I want you all to have a look at how we number the pins of the IC, because I'll be using these terms to make connections with the IC. As our first connection, we connect the pin 1 of the IC to the pin 8 using a 47pf capacitor. Now we connect the third pin of our IC to the negative rail of the breadboard using a 100 UF capacitor with its cathode connected to the negative rail of the breadboard while the anode connected to the third pin of the IC. Now we connect the third pin of IC to the positive rail of the breadboard using a 2.2 mega ohm resistor. Now we connect the third pin of IC to the negative rail of the breadboard using a 100 kilo ohm resistor. Now we connect the fourth pin of the IC to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now we connect the seventh pin of the IC to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now we insert BC548 transistor on the breadboard. Now we connect the second pin of the IC to the base of the transistor using a 2.2 mega ohm resistor. Now we connect the base of the transistor to the sixth pin of the IC. We connect the collector of the transistor to the positive rail of the breadboard using a 1 kilo ohm resistor. IC to the third pin using a 0.22 UF capacitor. Now we insert our LED on the breadboard with its anode connected to the emitter of the transistor while the cathode connected to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now we insert our buzzer on the breadboard with its anode connected to the emitter of the transistor while the cathode connected to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now we connect our 9-volt battery to the breadboard with its anode connected to the positive rail of the breadboard while the cathode connected to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now, as a circuit is complete, let's start with its testing. This circuit detects the radio waves produced by our mobile phone, and as soon as it does so, the LED glows and the buzzer gives a sound. These radio waves become stronger when we place a call. This circuit also works when we use mobile data. As soon as I switch on the mobile data, the buzzer gives a sound and the LED glows. It also works when a text message is sent. Thanks for watching guys, and please like the video, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.